Yo, look. Yo. Feeling the tension, step in the rooms and wish to life like genie. Feeling the vibes, the ground, the block, make my head swift Lamborghini. I'm gonna
Hi, so my name is Louis. I'm on this level 3 second year course and I do conscious rap as my artistry focus. So it's like addressing philosophical and political views into my lyrics and wordplay, and yeah, addressing it to my generation. And I upload onto Spotify using distribution platform called DistroKid.
The hottest heat, sitting off the hottest tea. Know you're out and about and see more of the life we walk without feet.
Okay, so what I've got here is a track that I'm currently using the Neumann microphone. So I've set it up in that room over there, and I'm recording it through the patch bays and the channel desk through the Neve compressor into Logic. And yeah, I'm just trialing which channel racks sound good. So there's one that's like more of like a gritty sound, and then there's a cleaner one just with the Neve. It's just trial and error of what looks good, what looks good, what feels good, what sounds good. Yeah, and then hopefully this will be one of my songs that I release for my final project, one of the few that I'm doing. So about this actual song specifically, it's to do, well, the song's called Philosophy in general, so it's just addressing like how I view my generation as they stand, how I see myself amongst everyone. I just feel a bit outside the box sometimes. Most of the times I put that into this song and I address it, and it can come off like quite passionate, so it's quite like an aggressive cadence that I deliver with a vocal to match it with a very like dark sounding drill type beat.
When you're tired and yawning, but you stick to the grind, you'll find it rewarding. Focus on dreams, don't stop withdrawing. Carry that weight, yeah, you gotta keep hauling. Lift that clutch and you won't be stalling. Got vibe chemistry, think I'm balling. Got vibe chemistry, think I'm Jason Statham. I fake till I make and go take them. Hate till you meet and connect on. My spirit is